Looking for the best folding fat tire e-bike in 2026? Today, I'll show you the 5 best folding fat tire e-bikes worth buying this year, whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or riding every day. Let's get started. Number 1. Heybike Mars 2.0/3.0 Foldable Electric Bike. Heybike Mars 2.0/3.0 Foldable Electric Bike, UL 2849 certified, 70+ miles long range, 1400 W/1800 W peak motor, 32 miles per hour, 624 Wh removable battery, 20-inch *4 fat tire, a bike for snow, commute, full suspension. Price $999. Bike type commuting bike, fat tire. Brand Heybike. Special feature adjustable seat. Heybike Mars 2.0 electric bike features. 1800 W peak motor, produces 100 Nm torque for strong acceleration and excellent hill climbing performance. 48V13 a removable battery, delivers 55 to 70 miles of range with IP65 waterproof protection and advanced BMS. 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, provide excellent grip and stability on sand, snow, mud, gravel, and city roads. Foldable design. Compact folding frame supports up to 330 pounds, making storage and transport easy. Hydraulic disc brakes, 180 mm dual hydraulic brakes ensure reliable stopping power in all conditions. Smart features. Includes app control, a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, and 5 pedal assist levels. Safety features, UL 2849 certified, with a headlight, integrated taillight, and anti-theft bike and battery locks. Easy assembly, arrives 90% pre-assembled with integrated fenders and a rear cargo rack. Number 2. Cybervelo Folding Electric Bike for Adults. Cybervelo Folding Electric Bike for Adults, 20-inch x 4.0 fat tire, bike, 2000 W peak motor, 48V25 a removable battery, max 30+ mph, 100 miles, 8-speed foldable electric bicycle, UL certified. Bike type electric bike, folding bike. Brand Taliskonder. Special feature adjustable seat, dual disc brake, dual suspension, fenders, foldable. Included components: battery, bike, charger, toolkit, user manual. Cybervelo Folding Electric Bike features. 2000 W peak motor, 1000 W brushless motor, delivers 90 Nm torque, reaches 30+ mph, and climbs slopes up to 35 degrees. 48V25 A, 1200 Wh, battery, removable battery, provides up to 100 miles per charge and is UL 2849 certified. Dual suspension, front suspension fork and rear dual suspension ensure a smooth ride on rough terrain. 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, puncture-resistant tires offer excellent grip on sand, snow, mud, and rocky trails. Hydraulic disc brakes. Front and rear hydraulic brakes with EABS provide fast, reliable stopping power. Foldable aluminum frame, lightweight 6061 aluminum alloy frame, supports riders 5'7" 7'7" with a 400 pounds capacity. 3 riding modes, features an 8-speed drivetrain, LCD display, and multiple riding modes for versatile performance. Number 3. Heybike Rangers 3.0 Pro Foldable Electric Bike for Adults. Heybike Rangers 3.0 Pro Foldable Electric Bike for Adults, 1200 W peak motor, 28 miles per hour e-bike, 90 miles range, 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tire, a bike with removable battery, hydraulic brakes for snow, beach commuting. Price $1,499. Heybike Ranger 3.0 Pro Electric Bike, features. 1200 W peak motor, delivers 85 Nm torque with speeds up to 28+ mph for commuting and trail riding. 720 Wh removable battery. Provides up to 90 miles with pedal assist, charges in 5 to 6 hours, and features IP65 protection. Smart TFT display, color screen with NFC unlock, passcode access, and Heybike app control for ride tracking and settings. Full suspension, 65mm hydraulic front fork and adjustable rear air shock provide a smooth ride on rough terrain. 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires offer excellent grip on streets, sand, snow, and mud, paired with a Shimano 8-speed drivetrain. Hydraulic disc brakes. Dual hydraulic brakes with upgraded rotors deliver strong, responsive stopping power. Foldable design, step-through frame folds in about 10 seconds for easy storage and transport. Safety features, includes front light, brake light, turn signals, arrives 80% pre-assembled, and is ready for everyday commuting or adventure. Number 4. Heybike Ranger 2.0 Foldable Electric Bike for Adults. Heybike Ranger 2.0 Foldable Electric Bike for Adults 1400W peak motor, 28 plus mph, 65 miles range 20-inch x 4 fat tire all-terrain Ebike, 48V15AH removable battery step-through electric bicycle for commuter. Price $849.99. Brand Heybike. Special feature 1400W peak electric bike for adults, 20-inch x4. 0-inch all-terrain e-bike, 600Wh battery electric bicycle, 7-speed gears cruiser Ebike, front suspension e-bike for adults 1400W peak electric bike for adults, 20 inches by 4.0 inches all-terrain e-bike, 600Wh battery electric bicycle, 7-speed gears cruiser Ebike, front suspension e-bike for adults. Included components: charger, electric bike, keys, pedals, tool kit. Heybike Ranger 2.0 electric bike features. Upgraded motor. Delivers faster acceleration, stronger hill climbing performance, and improved overall riding efficiency. 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires provide excellent grip and stability on sand, snow, mud, gravel, and city roads. Comfortable design, features an oversized saddle and sturdy rear cargo rack for a more relaxed riding experience. Safety features, equipped with integrated front and rear lights for better visibility and a fast-charging battery system. Foldable step-through frame. Easy to fold, store, and transport, with a low-step frame for convenient mounting and dismounting. Urban and all-terrain ready, ideal for commuting, weekend rides, and light off-road adventures. User-friendly, designed for riders of different ages and abilities with a comfortable, practical layout. Number 5. ENGWE EP2 3.0 Torque Sensor Bike Adults. ENGWE EP2 3.0 Torque Sensor Bike Adults built-in 4G GPS anti-theft 1500W peak 48V720WH 20 by 4.0-inch fat tire 28 miles per hour, Tektro-hydraulic one-piece magnesium frame. Price $1,099. Bike type electric bike, fat tire. Specific uses for product: gravel, off-road, road, snow, trail. Number of speed 7. ENGWE EP2 3.0 electric bike features. 90 Nm torque motor. Features a precision torque sensor for smooth, natural pedal assistance and responsive hill climbing. 720Wh battery, includes an 8A fast charger that fully recharges the battery in about 2 hours. Built-in 4G GPS, real-time tracking, vibration alerts, and app notifications continue working even if the battery is removed. 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, foldable step-through design, handles sand, gravel, mud, and city streets with ease. Certified safety. TB Rhineland UL 2849 certified for the complete e-bike system, including the battery, motor, and controller. Hydraulic disc brakes. Pre-installed Tektro hydraulic brakes provide reliable stopping power right out of the box. Easy assembly, arrives 85% pre-assembled with all tools included. Warranty and support, includes a 1-year warranty on the frame, motor, battery, and controller, backed by North American customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.